Hi there, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel,
Silver
Fanatic.
Okay, guys, I think it's obvious.
Yes.
There's no way we could have bought so many coins
At one time.
at one go. So I think it's pretty obvious what's going on. Yeah. Okay, guys.
It's our full stack.
It's the promise that we made. We're fulfilling it today. That we soon are going to make our full stack.
That's true.
For those that started, guy, that wants to start, guys. Yeah, we're trying to show that it can be done. Yes, from how many months? 5 months.
5 months.
Yeah, 5 months. We've been staking for 5 months, and this is what we managed to accomplish.
Yes.
Okay.
We're proud of ourselves.
Yes, we really are proud of ourselves. Okay, guys.
That's true.
As everyone knows about this coin, it's a series that we entered to, but I think it's very hard to fulfill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're still looking for it.
Yeah, we are still looking for it. Even in 2021,
Yes.
we will still be looking for this one.
Yes,
guys, we haven't forgotten, because we said in our previous video that we want to conquer this series.
Whatever we started.
Yes, guys. Okay, so we're just showing that coin is still there. The gorilla, guys. Yeah,
beautiful coin.
It is a really beautiful coin, guys. So what you see here in front of you, it is our full stack.
Yes.
Yeah, if we counted, it was about 93.
93.
Yeah, 93.
Almost 100 ounce.
Almost, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost. We couldn't reach the goal. 7 coins were missing. But with that 7 coin, we're gonna add them next year. First month next year.
We're finishing 100 ounce.
We will add those 7 coins so we can complete that 100 ounce, guys.
Yes.
Okay, so it's 93
ounce. So we have
ounce.
a goal already for 2021.
Yeah, haven't entered, but already now we're under pressure.
Yeah.
To complete that 100 subscriber and that 100 ounces. So I think it's rhyming. 100 sub and ounce. Yeah. Okay, guys. So next year we will fulfill that, but it's 93 ounces. This is a full stack. Okay, and our gold. I think we have 6 gold.
Yes.
1/10, guys.
1/10.
It's 1/10. 6. This is our full stack in terms
all
of gold
Krugers.
as well. They're all Kruger rands, guys. Okay, this is our full stack. A 1/10 Kruger rand, guys. So we have 6 of these.
Okay. So it would be also nice to have maybe 1 international gold.
Yeah. We will try to have 1. So at the moment we haven't decided which one, but
to go.
It could be
Canada.
It has to be a 24 carat.
Yes.
It has to be a 24 carat if it's an international. So we'll be looking in those range, and that buffalo as well. It looks
beautiful.
amazing. It does really looks amazing, guys. Okay.
Even the American eagle.
Yeah, guys. And then we might do proof stack, guys, of how many proofs we have.
Do have.
Yeah, on our stack. Okay, but we will include the reverse because it's still a proof, but it's a reverse.
Yes.
It's a
they
reverse.
Wouldn't put the word proof if it's not.
If it says proof, count it.
Yes.
It's going to be in that full stack of proof, guys.
Yes.
Of how many proofs we have in our stack.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, guys, in just a few months, guys. Okay, just want to show, as I always show, that guys, it started right here.
Yes,
that's where it started. Everybody knows this coin. They've been following us on videos, guys. You know this coin. This is our first coin, guys.
Yes.
This how it was. We'll say long ago, because it's been months now. It's long ago. So this is how it was.
That's true.
Just this coin, watching it like this, polishing it, feeling it, touching it. That's why it's toning like
that. And we like the toning.
Yeah. It shows it's the grain of the stack. grain of the steak.
We
It's toning properly.
We don't like toning cold, but this one is our favorite.
Yeah, we're still gonna take it off the capsule and hold it and get it toned more than it is right now. So it started like this, guys. There was nothing, like only this coin, and then voila. After 5 months, boom, 93 ounces, guys. Okay,
we're so proud of ourselves.
Really
I think
proud,
we got
guys.
like 4 2-ounce.
Oh yeah, 4 2 ounce. Yes, 4 2 ounce. Those are the ounce. Those are the 2 ounce at the back, guys. Okay, there's one there. Yeah. So there is another one, guys. These are the 2 ounce that we have. I think we did a full stack of 2 ounce lately. So yeah, we have a video of a full stack of 2 ounce.
That's true.
So I think we are not as bullish on the 2 ounce. Yeah, but that will change next year, because our goal for next year is high. We have the entire year to ourselves. So we will be able to accomplish a lot next year, guys. That's true. Because we'll have the entire year. Yes, we'll be stacking with a new strategy. We will reveal it. I know some people will say, yeah, you keep on changing the strategy, guys. No. When you watch other people's videos, you learn one or two things, guys. So you can't be stuck.
So if you see that that thing is not working, you need to start and do what is working.
Yes, guys. Because I've the reason I'm saying that, guys, there is this channel, guys. Peeves, guys. I like his strategy, guys. I'm not gonna pick that one up. Okay. So Piff's strategy, it's amazing. It's awesome. It's straightforward, guys. It's like 2 ounces for every chop. Yeah. I think it's 1/10 for every chop. I'm not too sure. Something like that. 1/10 of gold for every chop, guys. So he has a chop going for 1/10 of gold, and then for every chop that he accomplish. He needs to add a 1/10 that will go along with it. I see that as a magnificent strategy. It's a perfect strategy from Piff's, guys. Piff's back, guys. Channel. It's a great channel, guys.
Funny channel.
Need to watch it. Yes, guys. He always says yenzas, guys. I'm picking up what the yenzas means, but I'm not clearly there yet exactly what it means, but I think it's along with people or something like that. I don't know, something like that. Yeah. So, guys, it's a very, very interesting educational channel, guys. Peeps, guys. You'll be laughing all throughout the video, guys.
That's true.
So you won't be able to even watch half of the video, because it's entertaining and funny and educational at the same time. As I've just mentioned, that for every 1/10 for every chop he needs to add a 1/10 that will go along with it, guys. I find that's a very, very good strategy, guys. Ours might be along those lines for next year, because we need to be bullish on gold as well. That's not true. Only on silver, guys. So I find Piff's, guys, strategy very, very interesting.
That's true.
It's really awesome.
That's true.
I really like it, guys. So Piff's, guys, it's a great channel, guys. Go watch it. We're gonna leave a link in the description below, guys. Okay. Yes, guys. There are also other strategies that we see around on the channel, guys. There is another one that we might enter into, not even might enter into, guys. It's a must. We need to enter into it, guys. It's a savings by Freedom Stacker, guys. Freedom Stacker, guys. Another wonderful channel, guys. Freedom Stacker has this saving that's going on, guys. That $5 or something. It goes along with that, and then for every week he saves, guys. He's doing a saving. True. I think he does the saving for the entire year, guys. So it's a really nice strategy as well for if you want to save fiat, guys.
Because we did say in our other video that we need more dry powder.
Yes, guys. Dry powder is important as well, guys. It will assist you, help you guys to accomplish other goals that you have, guys. Okay, all right. Freedom Stacker, guys, another wonderful channel, guys. Please go watch it. It's educational, as we mentioned. That he has a strategy of how to save, guys. Yes, guys. Freedom Stacker, we're gonna leave a link on the description below as well, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, guys. This is our full stack. Okay, all right, guys. I think
we're gonna concentrate also on our South African coins.
Yeah, guys, there are more. So we've shown those ones there at the back. Those ones, the leopard, the Kruger Rand, the proof, and those two at the back. I don't want to bring them closer because they're too revealing. So I don't want to be appearing on the camera, guys. So I think we have videos that we did on those ones as well.
We can also put the link of those videos below.
Yes, guys. We can put them on the description below, guys. If you're interested, once to watch them, okay, guys. And there is another one, the Big 5 coin. It's just a bullion. This is just a bullion, guys. It has a low mintage. I think 15,000 were made of this rhino, guys. It's just a 2020 bullion Big 5 coin, guys.
South African series.
Yes, it's also South African, part of the South African series, guys. The Big 5, guys, of which we missed out because some of them came out before we started staking. So we missed out on those ones, but we didn't miss out on
these ones.
On the leopard came at the time where we
stable enough.
Stable enough, clued up more about clock coins, guys. Okay, all right, guys. And we've been watching a lot of YouTube channels, guys. They're very educational. They help us a lot, guys. I heard somebody talking about that he watched when he mentioned the channel that he first watched. It was the same channels that I was watching when that we were watching when we started staking. So those channels also educates, guys. They're very nice and entertaining, guys, as well.
That's true.
Okay.
That's true.
So this is our full stack, guys. Okay.
We're so proud of ourselves.
Yes, we are. Really proud of ourselves, guys. So next year we'll have the entire year to ourselves. So we'll be able to stack.
Because this year we were more like all over.
Yeah, it was just trial and error this year for us, guys. This year was just a trial and error. Next year, that is why we are saying that we will be changing the strategy. Because trial and error, it will be over next year.
That's true.
Next year won't be any trial and error. Maybe the next year's strategy will be our strategy going onwards. And almost forgot, guys, about the platinum, guys. We're thinking of entering the platinum, guys, as well. We will try and get some platinum next year because it's important. Copper as well.
There's no limits next year.
No limits.
We're going all the way.
As I've just mentioned, we have the entire year to ourselves next year. Unlike this year, we just had a little bit of the year to ourselves to stack, and we started. We had trial and errors and so forth. Next year we more of the experts.
Like we said on our, I think it's more of our first videos that this is our bank. We're creating our bank.
It is our banks, guys. We're preserving the wealth and creating a bank, guys, as well. We always say that something that we fall to in terms of needs, guys, because needs can come at any given time.
True.
They don't say when they are coming, they just knock on the door, and when you open, it's the needs. So you have to act fast.
That's
guys.
true.
So this bank will help us in those times.
With no interest.
With interest free, guys. Interest free. No papers filled. Nothing. I'll just come here. I'll just take this maybe 110, and then I will fulfill whatever.
That's true.
And then whenever I'm ready to bring it back, but it's a must that I must bring it back.
Month.
Yes, because everything you take from the bank, you need to bring it back.
That's true.
So yeah, we'll just bring it back afterwards. Yes, guys. I think today's video.
Yes.
Yes, was just about that. Our full stack, guys. Yeah. I think we just want to wrap the year.
That not make the video that long.
Yeah, it's long overdue. We've been preaching about it. Today we have it. Okay. Okay, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe
and comment.
Comment and like.
Subscribe and comment.
Oh yes, guys. That's what YouTube wants, guys.
Yes,
okay?
Not us.
It's not us. It's YouTube, guys. Okay. All right, guys.
Thank you. Bye.